I'm Jocelyn.
And I'm Clarissa.
And today we're going to be making tacos. Woo! Let's see our taco dance. Okay, so for this you're going to need steak. We are using ranchera. It's basically just the meat, if you don't understand Spanish. And the seasonings that you will need is salt, pepper, and if you want to kick up flavor, you can add some paprika. So let's get started. Okay, so
Here,
I'll
do it.
It's frozen. Just kidding. I've never done this before. I've never touched meats like this. Okay, so seasoning.
Here, and then I'll do pepper.
And comment down below if you guys like tacos. Tacos.
This is how you measure it with your hand.
This is how I measure it.
Just make sure you put some right here.
Wait, what? Aren't you supposed to be doing your own meat?
No.
Yeah. Stop it. Make sure you guys do both slides. Oh, right, sorry.
Wait, we forgot.
Oh, yeah. You want to add it? Put a little bit. And make sure you guys put the seasonings on both sides.
And now we have to rub it, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. It feels cool.
It feels cool. Okay, next side. Woo! Salt. You're going to add some salt. You want to add the pepper? Well, just a little bit more salt.
Sorry. Here, want me to put this more?
No, it's okay. Okay, now you can add this pepper. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of paprika. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be finished seasoning the meat. We'll see you guys when we're done. Peace. Okay, guys, so we just finished seasoning the meat, and now we're gonna put it in the stove. It's better if you grill it outside on the barbecue grill, but I'm only 10
And I'm only 7.
and we can't use it. So let's get started. You can use, and make sure it's already hot so it cooks. And you want to add a meat like about 4 minutes each side. Let's take it.
Let's do it together. Let's go.
You guys hear that sizzle? It's talking to us. It's saying it's gonna be delicious. Okay guys, so we'll be right back and we're just gonna finish cooking it. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. Okay guys, so we just finished putting the meat. It's still cooking, as you can hear it sizzling. Now we're gonna multitask by cutting the onion while the meat is cooking. So, you guys know how onion makes you cry. Well, we're prepared. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, guys. So after we're gonna cut this, and then after we're done, we'll be back. Peace. Okay, guys. So the meat is basically cooked. We're just gonna flip it, and when it's done, it should look like this. Hold up. There you go. It should look like this. Nice and brown. See the difference, red, brown? And we're just gonna let it cook and rest. Meanwhile, we chopped up the onion. You wanna make sure it's like nice, fully shredded. And we cut up some cilantro, which is, I don't know how to say it in English, but it looks like this. And then we are gonna cut the lime. So see you guys when we're done. Peace. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna make the tortilla cooking. You can use any tortilla, but we like using corn tortillas.
That's right. Wow, that's how you do it.
Here it is only.
And we'll just wait.
We just wait. This is how we wait. Okay, and so we like corn tortillas. We have some meat still cooking, and we'll see you guys when they're done. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna flip it. Oh, to know when to flip it, guys, it should look really soft. Okay?
Very, 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 very soft.
So, please. So now we just wait and wait and wait. And you guys see it's like soft and greasy, a little greasy. So that's when you know that you can flip it. I love the sizzle of the meat. It goes so good, like.
That's true. Whoever will not love tacos? I mean, tacos are the best.
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
Okay, I think they are ready now. So now let's get ready to make the tacos. Let's go prepare them. Let's go. Make sure you turn off the stove. Don't want to burn your mom's house.
No?
Or whoever you live with. We live with our mom and dad. Okay, let's prepare them. I think we're gonna put in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need first. Let's try to meet how it is. It's very good. It's sliced up. That's good. And no fat, because I don't like fat. Let's put the meat in.
It's well done.
You could do yours.
I could do it.
We do our meat well done. Sometimes a little pink, but we don't really like it pink. But I'm adding a lot of meat, kind of. Okay, so you want to add some lime because it makes it juicy.
Very juicy.
Lime, squish it. Can you help?
No, I got it.
Lime. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro.
A bit.
And then I'm going to add a little bit of onion. And then I'm going to go over here. Okay, so this is salsa molcajete. Most Mexicans will know what it is. It's just salsa that you make in this thing that looks like a rock. I think it's called molcajete. And then instead of blending it, you squish it by hand.
Squish it.
And we're gonna add a little bit.
Can I go first?
Sure. This is real Mexican stuff. Actually, I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
Excuse me. Let me bring you the plate. This one's mine. It gives it a good kick. A little spicy. You can go next. And then I'll wait for you for the taste.
I'm gonna grab the juice because the juice is so good. Just the juice.
Okay. Now let's taste it. Looks so good. It's kind of spicy. A little spicy, but it gives the kick. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you guys want a tutorial of how to make salsa molcajete. It's super easy. If we did it, you guys can do it. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification, and make this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Comment down below if you want a tutorial of how to make the salsa molcajete.
I tried something very different. It's nice and juicy. It kind of gives it a kick. Can you cook it like you want? Cook it like you want. Cook it like you want. Cook it like you want.
Okay, so that's our video. Comment down below if you guys like tacos. Until the next one. Bye.